Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biochemistry effectively in 1 month. First, let's outline a clear 4-week study plan. You'll want to prioritize key areas such as metabolic pathways and molecular genetics, which often represent about 60% of exam content. Remember to engage with the material actively, perhaps by quizzing yourself or explaining concepts aloud. This approach will significantly boost your retention and understanding over the next 30 days. For the first 2 weeks, we'll build a strong foundation. Week 1 should focus on the basics: amino acids, protein structure, and nucleic acids. Aim to cover these core principles thoroughly. Then, in Week 2, dive into enzyme function, kinetics, and the intricate world of carbohydrate metabolism. Make sure to allocate at least 30 minutes daily for reviewing earlier topics to solidify your knowledge. Moving into the latter half of your month, Week 3 is for lipid metabolism, membrane biochemistry, and cell signaling. These are complex areas, so give them ample time. For Week 4, shift your attention to molecular biology, including DNA, RNA, and protein synthesis. Crucially, dedicate the last few days to taking full-length practice exams. This simulates test conditions and helps identify any remaining weak spots. To truly maximize your study time, incorporate effective techniques. Visual aids, such as drawing out metabolic pathways or protein structures, can clarify complex information. Consider forming a small study group. Explaining concepts to others reinforces your own understanding. Finally, don't underestimate the power of self-care. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep nightly, and maintain a balanced diet for peak cognitive performance throughout your intensive month of study.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.